From boosting brain function to increasing immunity, these 5 simple greens can work wonders for your child's health, and they can easily grow in small pots right in your garden, balcony, or backyard. Did you know that these Ayurvedic herbs, which we have become somewhat ignorant of, are in high demand in the Western world of medicine? They are recognized for their potential in preventing Alzheimer's, treating neurological disorders like epilepsy, and supporting digestive health, among other benefits. Now, these greens are often available to them in the forms of capsule, powder, and syrups, but they are definitely best consumed in their natural forms because I tell you, these are easily available around us. Now, these greens used in many traditional recipes, not just as home remedies for cough, cold, or fever, but as regular staples in some of the tastiest dishes ever, because our ancestors truly understood the benefits of these herbs. Today, let's explore these 5 greens, discover their health benefits, and learn how to incorporate them in our diet through simple recipes. Hello people, my name is Kavitha. I am founder of Tots and Moms Foods, and on this channel I regularly make videos about natural care and health tips for babies, kids and moms. And today's video is about 5 super greens. Let's start with Gottu Kola. Now this is called so in Hindi too as Gottu Kola. In Kannada it is called as Vandalaga Soppu. In Tamil it is called as Vallarai Kirai, and the scientific name is Centella asiatica. So this is often mistakenly called as Brahmi, but we will next talk about the real Brahmi and show you the difference. Now the benefits are, it's known for enhancing memory, concentration, and this Gottu Kola has anti-inflammatory properties that support brain health and skin healing. Now it is used in treatments for memory enhancement, anxiety reduction, and Alzheimer prevention. It has a slightly bitter taste with a hint of sweetness and an aromatic odor. Now how do we use it? It's commonly used in chutney. With coconut chutney you can mix it up and give it as a side dish to your children with dosa, idli or chapati. You can finely chop these leaves and add it to any vegetable curry or sabzi that you are making. It can be included in soups and you can just simply chew on these leaves or make a herbal tea out of it. Brahmi, the common name is Brahmi as well in India, and the scientific name is Bacopa monnieri. Now this is a real Brahmi. I'm showing you the real picture now. In Ayurvedic terms, Brahmi has a bitter and sweet rasa or taste. Now the benefits are, it is renowned for enhancing memory, concentration and cognitive development. It also has calming effects which help manage stress. So it is also used in the treatment of anemia, joint pain relief, boosting immunity, especially in Western countries. So the importance of it is huge. Kindly consider using it. Now you can use it as, in a herbal tea. You can make it into milk or smoothies. You can use the powdered form in that. Now a Brahmi powder can be combined with honey and offered to kids. And the leaves, while preparing ghee, when added, gives an amazing taste to the ghee as well, and definitely it is going to be healthy. Next one is Giloy. It is also called so in Hindi. In Kannada it is called as Amruta Balli. In Tamil it is called as Seendil Kodi. And the scientific name is Tinospora cordifolia. Now its rasa or its taste is bitter, astringent in nature and pungent as well. The benefit is it is immune boosting, and Giloy helps combat seasonal allergies, supports digestive health and protects kidneys against toxicity. It is used in treatments for fever management, detoxification and immune support. How to use it? Now you can boil Giloy leaves, make herbal tea, kada or kashaya. The stems of this creeper are also famous, which contains most beneficial compounds. So in the similar fashion to make herbal tea, you can use it. Store the dried leaf powder and mix it with honey. Give it to your child occasionally. You can also add the leaves to soups. It will be a great immune boost. We'll now talk about Indian Borage, or commonly called as Ajwain ka patta. In Kannada it is called as Dodda Patre, in Tamil Karpooravalli. The scientific name is Coleus amboinicus. Indian Borage has a distinctive taste that is mildly aromatic with a mix of tangy, peppery and minty flavor, along with slight bitterness, but it's edible. Now the benefits are it has soothing properties that help with cough, cold and digestive issues. Making it perfect for seasonal transition, because this is when our children face issues more. So it is used in treatments for respiratory conditions like cough, cold and asthma. How to use it? You can add it into rasam and give a flavorful therapeutic twist. And you can make chutney or dips out of it. Use it in herbal tea with a bit of honey. In Karnataka, we prepare tambuli or a kadi style sambar. You can try that. It is also used in chitrana over here. And you can make crispy bhajis using besan ka powder and spices, fry them in oil. It occasionally is great because kids would love it. The way I like to eat it is by dipping it in a bit of salt. Holy Basil, common name Tulasi, scientific name Ocymbum tenuiflorum. Now the tulsi plant is easily found in many Indian households and is even considered holy and worshipped daily. It has a strong aroma and an astringent flavor. Now sometimes it is bitter, but plucking and eating a few leaves is quite palatable. Benefits: Tulsi helps strengthen the immune system. It reduces inflammation and combats respiratory issues as well. It is used in treatments for immune system support, stress relief, respiratory health and managing digestive issues. Now how to use this? Use Tulsi leaves to make milk tea or herbal tea. Prepare kada or kashaya and serve it with honey to young children occasionally. Add Tulsi to smoothies or herbal juices for an extra health boost. And you can also use Tulsi leaves in making tasty rasam. All of these herbs are medicinal and low maintenance. If you are not growing them yet, you can easily find the seeds online. I just did that before making this video. And these greens are also readily available in markets, making it easy to incorporate them in your diet. Now, using these super greens in your child's diet can naturally improve their health, especially during the seasonal changes that I have been talking about. Simple and easy to use. These traditional Indian greens not only provide essential nutrients, but also connect us with our cultural heritage, isn't it? Now, if you haven't done that yet, start introducing them today for a healthier tomorrow of your child. And I would say, I would insist more on this because the whole of the world is giving importance to what we grow so commonly in our backyard and what our own Ayurveda had been talking about. But it's high time that we stop being ignorant and get them all to our diet and use them efficiently, because I totally believe that food is the medicine. Before going, I would like to recommend you to watch two videos on our channel: 10 tips to improve immunity in babies and kids, intestinal worms in kids, how to take care of it. So as I said, I regularly make videos on this channel. If you liked this video, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and clicking on that bell icon, because I will really feel happy and connected and inspiring or motivated to make more such videos. And in the beginning of the video, I informed you that I'm founder of Tots and Moms Foods. This is an organic food brand where we make chemical free, preservative free food products for babies, kids and moms. All our products have been running well in the market, well accepted by like-minded parents who believe food is medicine. So for babies, we make cereals and porridge mixes. For older kids, we make drink mixes, cookies and dry fruit mixes. Also, we have pancake mixes and other snacks. For mothers as well, we have iron, folic and calcium cookies. There are plenty of products, all of which are organic and chemical free. Kindly consider checking them out on Amazon, Flipkart, Big Basket, Meesho, FirstCry, and also on our own store totsandmoms.com. You can check it on our website where we regularly put up discounts. So I'll see you soon in yet another video. Until then, take care of yourself. Do not forget to subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.